Good morning, beautiful people. I am going to work. I'm landscaping today. This week I cleaned a house one day, I painted a house 2 other days, and I'm landscaping another day. A woman of odd jobs, that's for sure. But yeah, I gotta be there soon, so I better get going. Work was a little rough today. Just long day in the heat, in the humidity, and like lots of fucking gnats eating me, basically. And our blower broke. Our leaf blower broke, so that sucked too. And we just got it fixed. But you know, it is what it is. So pathetic, and you just don't get it. It comes pathetic, and you learn to accept it. No, so pathetic, and you just don't get it. It comes pathetic, and you learn to accept it. You know, you're so pathetic.